A square pyramid is packaged inside a box. The space inside the box around the pyramid is then filled with protective foam. About how many cubic inches of foam is needed to fill the space around the pyramid? All right, so to figure this problem out, we're going to have to find the volume of the box and the volume of the pyramid. So let's go ahead and do each. The volume of the box is going to be length times width times height, which is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. So this whole entire box is 125 inches cubed. Now we're going to need to find the volume of the pyramid. And this is on your EOC formula sheet, so make sure you click on that tab to open the formula sheet. And it's 1/3 big B times H. Now let's take a minute to discuss the big B. Big B does not just stand for 5. It's not the length of the base. Big B is the area of the base, and it doesn't tell you that. You have to know that. So we need to find the area of the base and then multiply it by 1/3 and by the height. So the area of the base here is a square, so it would be 5 times 5, which is 25, times the height, which is 5. All right, so if we multiply that out, we will get about 41.67 inches cubed. And we want to know how many cubic inches the foam is needed to fill the space around the pyramid. So we want to take the whole volume of the box and subtract off the volume of the pyramid to figure out this empty space on the outside. So let's do that right now. We're going to take 125 and we're going to subtract off 41.67, and that would give us about 83.4, which is going to round, according to them, to about 83 cubic inches.